Kasi patapos na rin tong hearing na to.
Yeah.
But of course, reading that motion for reconsideration is an insult to the members of this committee and to the House of Representatives. Parang nilecture pa kami dito. Eh
And-
ngayon, napakalinaw po. You're lying. General Maya is lying. You have 2/3 of all the members present unanimously voting to contempt and to detain. We never violated our internal rules because we know our rules.
As a matter of fact, Congressman Paduano, no? You're done, no? You're done, no? Hindi rin po nakasulat sa House rules that we have to take cognizance of your motion for reconsideration. Never, or none in the House rule that is written that we have to take action on your motion for reconsideration. There's no such thing. The reason why we are tackling this issue because we are in the brink of trying to have a resolution on this House Resolution number 4171. Am I correct?
Chairman,
Wala po sa we're about to be done with this resolution, but unfortunately we have received this letter coming from you. So
Chairman,
again,
last
sige,
point lang.
Congressman Paduano.
Ganito lang po. The chairman is correct. There is no such provision in the rules that a motion for reconsideration will be considered by this committee. We are forced to reconsider that motion for reconsideration. But of course, that is now the tradition in the House. For the past several years, for the past several decades, that is the tradition of the House. Giving due process, due consideration to those persons cited in contempt. Kaya, lenient pa kami dun eh. Well, in fact, for the record, in my committee in public accounts, kami ni Chairman Akop, may mga nag-motion for reconsideration and we consider it. But they never questioned our rules. They never questioned about the ruling of the chairman and the committee members. It's all about humanitarian consideration, medical consideration. But questioning our rules, sabi ko nga,
Yeah.
may problema kayo sa amin.
Okay, I think General Mariano wanted to raise his hand. We will give him a chance to answer back. Please, General Mariano.
Yeah, yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honors. My apology for submitting haphazard my MR because I haven't read yet more yung aking MR. It was prepared by my lawyer,
Sino po ba lawyer niyo, General Mariano?
si Attorney Ann Pascual po. Kanina lang po niya kasi po napadala. Gusto ko lang pong maparating kaagad. Hindi ko po masyadong ano. And it's my fault, Your Honors, that it was submitted na hindi ko man lang siya nabasa because we don't have time dun sa mag-communicate sa ating mga lawyers kasi wala po kaming dalaw po. Yung limited time na use of cellphone po, hindi rin po namin magamit sa kanila.
Pero meron po kayo, inaalaw po kayo ng dalaw. Meron
Ah.
lamang pong oras at ang paggamit po ng cellphone ay inaalaw din po.
1
Pero
hour
may
po.
oras din po.
Opo, pero
Yes.
kanina lang po kasi na-submit yun, Your Honor. Kaya
Because this is the policy of the of this Congress, not giving all the leeway, no? By
Opo.
using the cellphone and
I
sa
understand.
dalaw po may oras din po. As a matter of fact, ay alam naman po natin nangyari, di ba? Supposedly dapat hindi nakakapasok yung mga barel na naipasok ni Sergeant Desden, no? So we are also trying to secure the premises of this house, no, to prevent such incident to happen again. So ang pumirma doon, eto andito. So are you going to be are you going to say something, Congressman Akop?
Chairman,
If not, sige, Congressman
just
Paduano.
just to react to the manifestation of General Mariano. Ako po, General, your apologies is accepted personally. Pero again, sabi ko na nga, you seek the guidance of your lawyer. Alam mo, ang daming nakukulong dito sa House because of contempt na nakukulong dahil dun sa mga lawyers. Well, in fact, sa totoo lang, in my committee, nag-file pa ng MR sa Supreme Court. O ngayon, sinoko sila ng Supreme Court. Why they should not be cited in contempt by the Supreme Court? Kaya, ako as an advice to each and everyone, hindi pa lang naman to, may mga susunod pa ng mga hearing kayo, sana naman po, pag-isip-isipan natin, saka talagang pag-aralan natin. That's your right to seek the legal advice of a lawyer, but still, because you are the one who signed it, may problema ka. But personally, I accept your apologies.
Since
Thank you, Chairman.
Congressman Paduano that the good general have apologized, no, we accept naman your apology. But unfortunately, yun na nga, well, this morning we have already decided sana to discuss yung resolution, no, for the finality nung issue that was brought up by Congressman Acop. But now I have to ask again our members for this purpose. But since nangyari na yan and the apology was accepted, so maybe we will be discussing this furthermore. Okay? Sige, General Mariano, but before we proceed to the next issue.
Yes, Mr. Chair, again, I would like to apologize to our honorable members of this committee. Wala po akong intensyon na i-disobey po ang this committee. Ang hiling ko lang po sana, Mr. Chair, yung na hindi po naisama po doon ng aking lawyer dahil nga po hindi na, siya na po ang gumawa po kasi ng Mr. Chair na para lang po sa aking pamilya na sadya pong nahihirapan sa sitwasyon, and I plead that I will be restored with my freedom and be allowed to go home with my family. Yun lang po yung hindi po nailagay doon, Mr. Chair. But I don't have the intention to disobey this honorable committee, Mr. Chair. And again, my apology, and it's my fault for not reading kagad po yung Mr. Chair.
Actually, ayoko na lang basahin na General Mariano kasi masyadong strong words yung ginamit ng lawyer mo. And ito naman kay Cabradilla,
Sorry po, Mr.
what we
Chair.
wanted as I read your medyo hindi naman siya ganun ka strong, but kasi ang sinasabi parang hindi kayo nagsinungaling eh. You did lie. Yun ang naging decision ng committee ito. And nakita naman natin sa hearing yon. And we don't want to be accused that we decided to cite you in contempt because we just wanted to put you in our custody. Wala atang sense yun na gusto lang namin kayo kulong. Hindi, because we have seen all the evidences that was presented not only by the PNP official, even those members that are part of your operation team. They have said almost 23 of them na nagsalita, and even yung inyong deponent na ginamit dito were here to recant yung kanilang mga testimony that you pushed them to be filed. Kaya well, anyway, I've said my piece, and probably we'll be continuing with our discussion. Ang isang issue that I wanted to tackle, Congressman, Congressman, will you allow Congressman Deputy Majority Leader to say his piece? Honorable Erwin Tulfo, you are recognized.
Before we start, Mr. Chairman, my advice to General Mariano and the rest of the police officers under our custody. What we want to hear, General Mariano and the rest of you under our custody, is to ask for leniency. Hindi po kami mga matitigas ang puso. We are fathers too. We understand how hard it is and difficult to be away from our family. We are fathers. Remember that. I'm a father. I have children. These lawmakers in front of you, sir, have hearts too. May puso rin po. And fortunately, ang hindi lang ho namin matanggap is that you are lying in front of us, despite the fact that you swore before us that you will tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Therefore, we see during this hearing that you guys are directly lying to us. So what do? Our actions is to cite you in contempt because you're not telling the truth, wherein you swore that you will tell the truth, but you failed to tell the truth. So that's why you're incarcerated. It is your fault. Next time, General Mariano and the rest of you, if you ask for a file for a motion for reconsideration, tell your lawyers to ask for leniency. You should know that, di ba? We, like I said, hindi ho matitigas ang puso namin dito. We can understand. Pinag-uusapan ho na kung pwede i-release kayo, but what you did right now, this changes the whole perspective for all of you. Kaya nga ho, sinasabi natin this hearing, hindi ho ito kwento-kwentuhan lang dito. Patingin ho ninyo Congress. Hindi ho This is a committee hearing. We're trying to find out and in aid of legislation that how we can avoid this kind of incidents. para hindi na po tularan ng iba after you, your junior officers, hindi na po gayahin yung kapalpagan na ginawa ho ninyo. So yun lang ho, Mr. Chairman, paalala ko na kaya sila, because I saw that the way I interpret that motion for reconsideration is that you're saying we rush into judgment and gave that contempt. We cited you in contempt, General Mariano, because of the fact that you lied and you were under oath, so we can cite you in contempt. That's all, Mr. Chairman.
Yes, thank